Welcome back to another episode of 100 Proof Emma. I'm your host Emma, and I'm so excited you're joining me today because I'm going to be making a delicious frozen pina colada. Never made it before, shouldn't be too hard, and I'm pretty sure you can find all these ingredients at a local store near you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment in the links below, and thanks for tuning in. Plot twist, I am going to be using the brand new aluminum cup from Dole. I wanted to try these specifically with the frozen pina colada because I will be drinking poolside with my friends. I don't want any glass out there, and it's great for the environment because it's 100% recyclable. Cheers! 4 cups of ice cubes in my amazing blender. Thank goodness for this thing. It makes magic happen. And I poured 8 ounces of pineapple juice in my measuring cup, which also equals to 1 cup. That's the first ingredient. Next is the magic ingredient. It is cream of coconut made in the Caribbean. This is what makes the magic happen. I'm just gonna pour 8 ounces of this. This is a 15-ounce can. And the liquor will bring it home. Let's try out my frozen pina colada in my aluminum ball cup. Just what I needed on a hot, sweltering day. Super! I'm loving it. I'm loving the product. It's going to deliver a colder, more flavorful value and drink for me, and you should go try it out. It's 100% recyclable. It's good for Mother Earth. It's a one-time use. I don't have to worry about washing anything in the dishwasher because Lord knows I don't like doing my dishes. So this is a great product for me and my friends, and I hope you love it. Pina colada not included. To another episode of 100 Proof Emma, whether virtually or in person. See you next time.